Hello everyone, this is Frank DiMora with the End Times Research Ministry. Today is August the 7th of 2015. And I give you my last update on the birds, the fish, and the animals dying on July the 30th of 2015, and now I'm going to be covering where I ended up on July 30th and give you the information up to August the 5th of 2015. If you'd like all of that information, you can go over to my website, which you see the address below. But before I get into the news, just let me show you where it is in prophecy. We see it in Hosea chapter 4, verses 1 through 3. And I had highlighted in red so that you could see it, where the Lord shows us in the last days that the fowls of the heaven, the fishes of the sea, and also the beasts of the earth will be passing away in mass numbers. So I'm not going to be talking, I'm just going to be showing you the information so you can see it for yourself. There'll be drop downs underlining the most important part of the articles for you. So keep your eyes on the news with me, and you're going to see more of the same type of articles, more fish, more birds, more of the beasts of the field are going to be dying off in mass numbers. This is what the Lord told us to look for. This is what you should be looking for as well. Part of the whole picture of the last days prophecies. This is Frank DiMora from the End Times Research Ministry. God bless.